Hi guys! I want to show you this top before I start sewing it and cutting it to pieces. This is what it look like in the front. This is what it look like side view. This is what it look like in the back. So, I'm telling you now, I'm not a good sewer. I'm not even a professional. I just learned to sew when I am at school, and that's a very long time ago. So I'm just really doing this for fun. As you can see, this top, it's had a very nice design on it, and I want to keep this design as possible, so when I make it to a dress, you still can see it in the front. This, I don't know what you call this. Yeah, you still can see that into the dress. So, let's see how it's gonna turn out. Bye! Start by cutting the wrap of the blouse, then set it aside. Turn the blouse inside out and start cutting all the edges. Remove both sleeves, fold the back side of the blouse, and set it aside for later. I want to keep the design intact as possible. Fold the blouse in the middle, then start pinning it. Make sure to check if the design is properly aligned before pinning it. As you can see, both sides are properly aligned and pinned together. I am using my old dress as a pattern guide. Place the guide pattern on top of the blouse. Make sure both clothes are properly aligned and start pinning it. Start cutting the blouse to the shape of the guide pattern. Make sure to add 1 inch allowance for sewing later. Remove the guide pattern, then remove all the pins from the blouse. Push the gap of the V neckline together, then pin it. This right here is going to be the bust line. Fold the lumpy part and pin it to the blouse. Fold the blouse in the middle, make sure it's properly aligned. Now proceed to the backside blouse. Fold the blouse in the middle, then place the front side of the blouse in the top and start to pin it to the backside. Cut the back side of the blouse to the shape of front side blouse, no need to leave allowance. Removing all the pins, open the both front and back side blouse and lay flat together on the table. Make sure the back and front of the blouse is properly aligned together. Start pinning the side lengthwise. Now start hand stitching a 1/4 inch to the side length. I'm using a green thread so it's easy for me to remove it later. And I am just basically stitching the side together as a temporary hold. I don't know how to use my new sewing machine yet, so for this V neckline, I will stitch it permanently using the yellow thread. As you can see, now the blouse is starting to take some shape. Now, I'm going to use the sewing machine to sew a 1/4 inch to permanently sew the side together that I hand stitched earlier. It's done, and you can see my sewing is a little messy, but like I said, I'm still a beginner and still learning. Now, remove the hand stitches. It's very easy to remove because I use the green color thread and it's easy to see. Turn the clothes inside out and start stitching 1/2 inch to the length side. This is why I stitch a 1/4 inch first to the outside so that the fabric will not fray. Just cutting the little bits there to straighten it up, fold 1/4 inch, then sew it. Fold 1/4 inch twice to the armhole width, then sew it. Okay, done sewing both sides. Remove all the excess thread. This is the wrap that I set aside. I already measured it to my shoulder. Now I will hand sew this using yellow thread. It's going to be the strap of the clothes. All done. This is what it looks like inside out, removing all the excess thread. This is what's the top that we're trying to turn into a dress. This is the finished product. As you can see, this is the front. I told you I want to keep the design as possible, so here it is. It's look really nice. This is what's the V-neck. This is the V neckline. I don't know if that's how you call it, but now it's on our bust and it's closed. It's just like a normal design. This is what it look like inside view, and this is what it look like in the back. See, it really looks so nice. I thought it's gonna turn out so bad. I thought for a minute it's not going to fit on me when I'm start to sew it, but it still fit on me and it still have some allowance on it. I can wear it on summer. Here you go guys, this is what it looks like. Thank you for watching.